Good day everyone, my name is Xyresse Garcia Florino from STEM 12 St. Phoebe, and this is my presentation of cell analogy. So let's start. So guys, this is my restaurant cell analogy. So the first thing I would like to discuss is the cell wall of this restaurant. The cell wall is like the walls of this restaurant, the brown one here. So the cell wall is like the wall of the restaurant because the walls protect the restaurant from the environmental conditions to stay away from stress caused by different kind of pollution. In the same way, cell wall provides tensile strength and protection against mechanical and osmotic stress. The next thing is the cell membrane of this restaurant. The cell membrane is like the door of the restaurant. This is the door of the restaurant, as you can see. It's right here. So it allows the customer to go in and out of the restaurant. In the same way, cell membrane maintains cellular integrity and transport of molecules inside and outside of the cell. The next thing is the cytoplasm. So the cytoplasm is like the dining table of the restaurant. This is the dining table. We have 5 dining tables of the restaurant. Because in the restaurant, we serve the food in the dining table, which includes nutrients for your healthy growth, while the cytoplasm is in charge of all the function for cell expansion, growth, and replication. The next thing is the ER or the endoplasmic reticulum. The ER in this restaurant is the front counter. Why? Because the front counter in the restaurant takes the orders and distribute the orders to the chef. In the same way, ER or endoplasmic reticulum serve as a pathway for the distribution of material from one part of the cell to another. The next thing is the Golgi bodies. The Golgi bodies in this restaurant are like the waiters. This is the waiters of the restaurant. I know my drawing is not that good. So the waiters in the restaurant, because the waiters receive the dish and deliver it to the customer. In the same way, Golgi apparatus processes, sorts, and deliver proteins to the cell. The next thing is the mitochondria. The mitochondria function like the chef in the restaurant. This is the chef in the restaurant because the chef in the restaurant produces food into proteins that customer needed. In the same way, mitochondria generate most of the chemical energy needed to power the cell's biochemical reactions. The next thing is the vacuole. The vacuole is like the pantry area or the storage area in the restaurant. This is the pantry area of the restaurant and the storage area of the restaurant. Because this is where we store the food to be used later. In the same way, vacuole help in the storage and store food or other nutrients required by a cell to survive. The most important thing is the nucleus. The nucleus is like the manager in the restaurant. This is the manager in the restaurant because the manager controls the staff in the restaurant every day, and the manager holds the future of the restaurant. In the same way, the nucleus controls and regulates the activities of all the cell and carries the gene structure that contain the hereditary information. The last thing is the lysosomes. The lysosomes act like the janitor of the restaurant. This is the janitor of the restaurant because the janitor cleans up the messes and in charge to throw away the trash inside the restaurant. In the same way, the lysosome roles involve integrating and recycling cellular waste, cellular signaling, and energy metabolism. So that is my cell restaurant analogy. So thank you for watching and have a great day.